Hello guys, so today I'm demonstrating basic techniques of titration. So here you can see that we have our reagent in the bullet and our acid in the conical flask. So we are using bromothermal blue indicator solution. This is the bromothermal blue solution indicator. That is what we are using. So in a base, it will be blue in color, and unacidic condition, it will be yellowish. So I'm right-handed, so I will be swelling with my right and operating with the red tape with my left hand. So I'm going to open, and when I'm running this, it will be, I will be swelling again so that the contents mix thoroughly. So I'm now opening the red. So you start to notice that there will be some color changes here. The solution will start to change its color. You can see that it's changing color here. So I'm out of the reagent. I need to add more reagents. So this is just a demonstration. It's not calculated concentrations. I'm just demonstrating here. So I just added more of the sodium hydroxide. So let me add more here. So the acid is highly concentrated. This is why it is taking a longer time to change its color. Let me add more of the sodium hydroxide. If it fails to change this time, it means it will never change. So I'm going to swirl it so that it mixes thoroughly. So that's it guys. You can see that it did not change. That is because the acid is highly concentrated.